Today, we're making ginger snap cookies. We're going to take our 12 tablespoons of butter and melt it over medium heat until it turns golden brown. The reason we do this is to ensure that the milk solids toast evenly, prevent them from burning at the bottom, and manage to evaporate the excess water inside the butter. This is what your brown butter should look like. Now that our brown butter is finished, I'm going to pour it into the brown sugar and ginger mixture. Mix until well incorporated. After adding our molasses and stirring to incorporate real well, we're going to let it sit and let it cool off so we can add our eggs. We're going to mix our dry ingredients now, which includes 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and ½ teaspoon of table salt until combined. So now that our mixture is cool, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of ground ginger, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. We're going to add an egg and an egg yolk to combine in the mixture and mix until smooth. Combine your wet and dry mixture until it forms a smooth dough ball. Dough is mixed, and now we're going to set it in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's been 30 glorious minutes, and so now we have preheated our oven to 350, and we are scooping them on the tray, and I've got about 12 cookies on this sheet pan. We're going to roll our little dough balls in the sugar so it can give it a signature crackled appearance, a crispy and crunchy texture, and a little added sweetness for that best taste. I cooked my cookies for 10 minutes for a chewy and delicious cookie, but if you like your cookies crisp, cook them for 12 minutes.
Delicious, yummy Gingersnaps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.